Have you ever found yourself needing to decode a JPEG image from memory, but just didn't know how to do it? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to decode a JPEG image directly from memory in Python. I totally get it. You can easily read a JPEG image from disk using libraries like PL or OpenCV, but decoding it from memory can feel like a puzzle. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I decode a JPEG image in binary format directly from memory? They want to store a JPEG image in a database as binary data and then read it back into memory. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with decoding JPEG images from memory? When you read an image from disk, it's straightforward. But when it's in binary format, you need to convert that binary data back into a format that can be processed, like a NumPy array. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I've got a handy tip at the end that will make working with images in Python even easier. To decode a JPEG image from memory, the user first needs to read the binary data from the database. This can be done using a database library in Python, such as SQLite or MySQL. Next, the user should convert the binary data into a format that can be processed. This involves using the bytes.io class from the I/O module to create a file-like object from the binary data. Now the user can use the Python imaging library, or PIL, to open the image from the file-like object. This allows the user to decode the JPEG image into a format that can be manipulated. Finally, the user can convert the image into a NumPy array using the NumPy library. This step is essential for further image processing tasks. Fun fact, the JPEG format was created in the late 1980s and has become one of the most widely used image formats today. It's amazing how far technology has come. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to decode a JPEG image from memory involves using the SciPy library. First, you read the image file in binary mode, then create a bytes.io object from the binary data. Finally, you can use the imread function from SciPy to decode the image into a NumPy array. Note that for Python 2, you would use string.io instead of bytes.io. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative approach to decoding a JPG image from memory involves fetching the image directly from a URL. First, you can use the requests library to get the image data. Then, you can read this data into memory using bytes.io. After retrieving the image data, you can save it to a file if needed. This is done by opening a file in write binary mode and writing the image bytes to it. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always ensure your binary data is correctly formatted before decoding. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to decode a JPEG image from memory in Python. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into image processing.